Today we are discussing evaluation of double integral by changing the order of integrations. So the advantage of this procedure is that sometimes the double integral which is difficult to be evaluated in the existing form becomes easy for evaluation. So on changing the order of integration we can solve. So here we know the some equations and figure of the figure and that equations. So for example, the first one is here. This is coordinate axis means. So this is the coordinate axis. Here y equal to 0 and here x equal to 0 in this one. This is the y direction. The second one is, so this is the y axis. This is the x axis. Y is equal to mx means, so m value changes, this curve will changes, but y is equal to x. This is the line x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 1, y is equal to 1, x equal to 2, y is equal to 2. This is the 45-degree angle. This we called it is, this is the y equal to mx. M means degree, it is depending on the degree it will changes this curve. This is the y equal to mx, but it is y equal to x means this is the 45-degree angle. This is the 45-degree angle. So another one, third one is, that is the straight line, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So how to draw this straight line? This is the y-axis and x-axis. Here x intersect at the point of a comma 0 and this one 0 comma b. This one, this curve, this line is called x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So these are the three types of lines. And the second one is for circle equation, you know, that is circle equation is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So center is 0 and the radius is a. So this is the circle. So all sides are a, 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 a. This is the x-axis and y-axis. This is. Now third one is parabola. So you have to solve the change of order of equation means minimum knowledge you have to know. This is parabola, circle, ellipse. So this is the parabola. So this line, this is the x-axis and y-axis. This one we called it is y square is equal to kx. So kx means that is the length. So this curve, it is, we called it is x square is equal to cy. C and k are the constant. These are the parabolas. So if you know this one, then we can solve the change of order of integration. So before change of the order of integration, so we can solve one simple example, that is right, evaluate double integration xy dx dy where R is the region bounded by the coordinate axis and the line x plus y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 1. So first work is using this figure, means coordinate axis means this is the x-axis and y-axis, and x plus y is equal to 1. How to draw that figure? See here. So this is the solution. So first you have to draw the rough sketch for this figure. So this is the coordinate axis, x plus y equal to 1. So x plus y is equal to 1. Here we are writing in the form of x by 1 plus y by 1 is equal to 1. So this is the curve intersect at the point of 1 comma 0 and it is 0 comma 1. This area coordinate axis means this is the x equal to 0 and here this is the y, means no height, here no length. So this area we are finding. Okay, this area. So if you understand this one, then only we can solve the change of order. So here we are finding the area of this one. So see the limits for x and y here. What is the x limits? When you consider this is the triangle. Okay, we are finding the area of this one. When you fix the limit base, height is varying. Okay, so y-axis is varying. When you fix the length height, then vertically varying it is not fixed. So if you understand this concept, then only we can solve the change of order of integration. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So see here, so I is equal to the given equation, it is given, that is double integration xy dx dy. So here for x limit is 0 to 1. Here x limit is 0 to 1, x limit 0 to 1, but y is not fixed. Y is its length changes. So we know the equation for this one, x plus y is equal to 1. So x plus y is equal to 1. This equation you have to write y is in terms of y. So y is equal to 1 minus x. So height is y is equal to 0 to, means this is y equal to 0 to this equation. Height, this equation means this is the equation we know, that is in terms of y is 1 minus x, that is xy d. So here 1 minus x means this, first you have to integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x. So this is as usual, but the same problem can be solved, or here x is fixed. Now height I am fixing. So y is equal to 0 to 1. Height is fixed. Height. Then you have to vary horizontal. So x is equal to 0 to, x is 0 here, and this equation, so x plus y is equal to 1. This equation in terms of x is x equal to 1 minus y. This is the change of order. Means equation, this equation will be given to you. You have to change the order, means you have to change like this one. So in this above equation, x is constant, y is varying. So our work is you have to fix the y limit and vary the x. So this we called it is, here first you have to integrate with respect to y. So this is the change of order. So same problem can be solved by either you will get the same answer for this one. Check it. So I is equal to, I am solving equation 1. Equation 1 is I is equal to x limit as it is 0 to 1. So first we have to, it is a function of x, means you have to integrate with respect to y only. So x constant as it is, y integration is y square by 2. So y square divided by 2, here I am writing. So integrate, write the limits. So y is equal to 0. This is y equal to 1 minus x. So already we have integrated with respect to y, means the remaining here dx. So 1 by 2, it is constant taken outside. So x is equal to 0 to 1. So x as it is. Now you have to substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So wherever y, we have to substitute upper limit 1 minus x whole square. So wherever y, you have to substitute lower limit. So 0 square is 0. This is dx as it is. Now this 1 by 2, x is 0 to 1. X, this is x as it is. Now you have to expand a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2x dx. So here this x you have to multiply inside the bracket. So x is equal to 0 to 1. X into 1 is x. X into x square is x cube minus 2x square into dx. Now you have to integrate. So integration of x is x square by 2. X cube integration is x raised to 4 by 4 minus 2 as it is. X square integration is x cube by 3. So apply the limits 0 to 1. Here also you have to apply first upper limit minus lower limit. So here first I am applying first upper limit only. So wherever x, it is 1 by 2. X is replaced by 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3. This is the upper limit. Wherever x I have substituted 1. Now minus wherever x you have to substitute 0. So 0 square by 2 means 0 plus 0 to the power of 4 means 0 minus this is also 0. So whole term is 0. So when you taken the LCM, so it becomes 1 by 2. So it is 2. LCM is 12. So 12 means, so it is 6. 2 6 6. It is plus 4 3. It is 2 4 it is 4 means it is 8. So this is equal to 1 by 2. So 6 plus 3 minus 8. 9 by 9 minus 8 means 1 by 12. So it is 1 by 24 is the your answer for this problem. So main important thing is here we are finding the triangle of this one, area of this one means one is fixed. When you fix the height, then you are varying horizontal. If you understand this one means strip, you have to change it. That is the change of order. So I am taking one example for change of order. So see here, evaluate integration over 0 to 1, second limit x to root x, xy dy dx by changing the order of integration. So first work is you have to draw the rough sketch using the limits. So here, so it is y is, see here, y is equal to 0, x equal to x means it can be written as let x equal to 0, this is the lower limit, to x equal to 1. The for second one is y is equal to x, y is equal to root x. So x equal to 0, x equal to 1 we know, y equal to x is also. Y is equal to root x, it can be written as squaring on both hand side. So y square is equal to x. So using this we have to draw the rough sketch. So this is y is equal to x means this is the 45-degree angle. So y square is equal to x means this is the parabola. So we are finding the area of x is equal to 0 to x equal to 1. This area we are finding. So area between straight line and parabola. So see here, which one is fixed?